afternoon.
I am Princess Shinay Garingo, and together with my group mates and from BS Home Economics second year, and pwede ba ka namin ma-interview about sa among reading visual art kung okay na sa inyo?
Yes, I am very ready to open to share with you my knowledge. I am Elena Marie Duran, 58 years old. Actually, I am also a Bachelor of Science in Economics and graduated last year 1982, majoring in PhD education. So I stay with my own home in Valencia City.
First question namin, ma'am, is when did you start learning these skills to make your craft?
It was started since I was young. I was a child. Because I always observed with my mother that it is also her hobbies to make a clothing and then to embroider with a simple piece of cloth, and then I really love to work with my mother, and then until when I grew up I already love to have that
Skills
like sewing, and that is one of the reasons that I chose the Bachelor of Science in Home Economics, because I observed that all the skills have there in home economics. Very helpful.
Yes. What inspired you to start making use of this skill?
Of course, in our work, we have also failure. If you will not feel with your work, you cannot also learn. At first, that was very challenging for me to make a whole dress, and then while practicing, it learns me more. I really love that work, and then until that I realized that it is very helpful for the family and also with my own. It was also make us a successful one, even that I was not really take my license for teachers, but that is very helpful for me because I am one of the assessor also in dressmaking. Is also my passion.
What materials do you usually need?
That is not really a most expensive one. I really choose a simple one. L-square for tailor. This is we have the pinking shear. It is used for edging also. Marking tools. This is marking tools for drafting pattern. Boxes of threads. Different kind of tools. This is also our project, the cover set.
What steps or ritual na and process ang imong ginabuhat if magbuhat ka sa kanang craft, like pagtahi nga mo sa first nimo ginabuhat?
If I have so many clients, I also pray that I hope that this product will not be failure, and then I can also finish at the time when they have to claim the product, and that is one of the most important, to manage the time, especially that we are also a working mother, and then that is why we have to pray and focus the work so that it will be done.
So thank you, ma'am.